When comparing Modalyst versus SaleHoo, one of the most important questions you'll have is, which one offers more global product options? Both of these platforms are popular in the world of dropshipping, but they take different approaches when it comes to product variety and international reach. Let's dive into it so you can figure out which one better suits your needs for global product sourcing. First up, Modalyst prides itself on offering a curated selection of suppliers that focus heavily on the US and European markets. This means if you're looking to target customers within those regions, Modalyst might be a great choice. They also have a relatively streamlined process when it comes to integrating with Shopify, making it super easy to start selling products globally. However, their product range is more selective, which might be limiting if you want to offer a wide variety of niche products to your customers. While they do have suppliers from other parts of the world, the focus is clearly on higher quality, premium products, which can limit your options when compared to other platforms. Next thing to consider is SaleHoo. Unlike Modalyst, SaleHoo offers a broader selection of suppliers from all over the world. It's known for its massive directory of over 8,000 suppliers, which is a huge advantage if you're looking to build a diverse, global product offering. The catch here, though, is that SaleHoo doesn't have the same level of automation or integration with platforms like Shopify that Modalyst offers. If you're running a small to mid-sized store and you want to find products in a variety of niches, SaleHoo definitely gives you more flexibility when it comes to product options globally. Third thing to consider is the cost. Modalyst is subscription-based with a free option that gives you access to a limited number of suppliers, but the real value comes when you opt for their paid plans. With SaleHoo, you pay a one-time membership fee for lifetime access to their directory, which might seem like a better deal, especially if you're planning to source from multiple regions long-term. However, keep in mind that with both platforms, you'll still have to account for the cost of individual products and shipping, which can vary greatly depending on where your suppliers are located. The fourth thing to note is the ease of use. Modalyst, with its more user-friendly design, makes it easier to find and start selling products, especially if you're a beginner in the dropshipping game. They have a pretty solid system for integrating with e-commerce platforms and managing your product catalog. On the other hand, SaleHoo might be a little bit more challenging to navigate due to its sheer size and the fact that it's a directory of suppliers rather than a curated platform. If you want global product options but don't mind spending more time vetting suppliers, SaleHoo can work, but it might take a bit longer to get up and running compared to Modalyst. Next thing, customer support. Both platforms offer decent support, but Modalyst gets higher marks for being more responsive and offering helpful resources for store owners who are just getting started. SaleHoo's support can be a bit slower, and given its massive database of suppliers, it can sometimes be harder to get personalized recommendations. Now, after trying both of these services myself, it's clear they both have their merits. Modalyst offers more tailored options for specific markets like the US and Europe, but it might not give you the global reach you're hoping for. SaleHoo has the global product range you're looking for, but it requires more effort to navigate and integrate with your store. If you're looking for a better alternative that gives you access to a global range of products with seamless integrations, I recommend checking out the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. At the end of the day, both Modalyst and SaleHoo are great tools, but if global product options are your priority, there's a better choice out there that will help you scale your business quickly and easily.